Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So first of all we have to find the security which is right here in my case, so let's tap on this icon and here we have to tap on security scan. And as you can see, your device will scan itself, so you basically don't really have to do anything. And it will scan basically everything in order to look for any kind of viruses or the malware. And as you can see, it will show not only the viruses, but also some kind of problems. So in my case, I've got one risk detected and the device is showing me that I need to update the system to fix it and to make my device more secure. So basically, this is what you have to do in order to security scan your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.